Hi guys, how are you today? Today I want to tell you a story about my episode on my new program channel on YouTube. Yay! Hi guys, how are you today? Today is my first episode challenge about shopping with the 20,000 rupiah. I wish I get 2 items, so the first for the food and the second for the drink. I think I will get 2 items today. So with the money 20,000 rupiah, what I get. But today I want to eat something special, barbecue with the peanut sauce. So I am trying to buy
For the satay.
For the satay. Madura satay, but I'm not in Madura, I'm in Pinang. Okay, one portion for the satay is the price around like 14,000 rupiah, so I still have a 6,000 for buy the drink. Do you think I can buy the drink with the 60,000 rupiah? I'm not sure also. But we will try another side. I have to cross the street to buy it. Okay, yeah, spicy. I love spicy. Okay. I want to go to the cross and then I will pay for the satay and I will be eat the home. Okay, it's the first week. So it's the first challenge for me for one episode. See you, bye-bye. So this the price only 14,000 rupiah. So I still have a lot of money to buy something. I cannot wait to eat all the stuff. Hi guys, the second item I want to buy is the drink in the opposite for the satay. So the cheaper one, they price around like 50,000 rupiah. So yay, this the finally I can final my challenge for the 20,000 rupiah for shopping time. Yay! Hi guys, I'm at home and I'm so excited because my challenge for 20,000 rupiah what I got. Yay! So happy because I got 2 items for 20,000 rupiah. What is that? It's the 1 portion satay and 1 glass of chocolate drink. It's so yummy. Okay, this is the challenge so fantastic because I'm not sure I can get full for the 20,000 rupiah, but see, I get 1 portion satay, chicken satay. You wanna see this? Okay, I will show you. Oh, you cannot see this. Okay, maybe I put like this so you can see. Chicken satay with the, what is it in English? Lontong? I don't know in English. Okay, I want to try to eat this one. I want to make you so jealous because I can eat satay. Oh my god, I like the chicken, the sauce, the peanut sauce, so yummy. For the rice, also nice. Yummy. You cannot see. You cannot see what I'm eating. No, I'm drinking the chocolate. The chocolate, ice chocolate, so yummy. Not so bad for the 5,000 rupiah. I want to eat all of them. I want to drink this. I want to eat this. Make me little sexy, more sexy. Okay. Don't forget to follow my social media and also my YouTube, of course, so you can see my challenge for the next week. Because this week I already finished my challenge. So this is one episode about challenge for shopping with the 20,000 rupiah. What you get? I get 2 items for 20,000 rupiah. It's so amazing. Okay, see you. Bye bye. I want to enjoy my meal. See you. Thank you for watching my YouTube. See you another episode. Bye bye.